This darling kitten saved her new adopted mom from a poisonous snake. We will share this hero kitten story with you in today's video. Hello and welcome back to Neffy Cat. Wardrobe malfunction. We're so glad that you can join us today. Somebody is thoroughly enjoying his toy. Yeah. Somebody play. Watch Neffy play. Midnight is a beautiful black kitty. He was adopted by Jennifer Shelton as a rescue cat, being only 5 months old. Well, they lived together in McAllister, Oklahoma. On Memorial Day weekend, on the Friday of this year, a cottonmouth snake entered the house. It entered just under the pet door. So it had come in through the pet door and came in and started causing trouble. Well, cottonmouths are deadly poisonous, and it could have killed Midnight the kitten and his family. Luckily, he was officially on duty. When Midnight heard and saw the cottonmouth, he quickly and instantly sprang into action. He killed the poisonous snake, springing on it before it could bite him or his family. This cute kitty saved his mom's life. He is a true hero cat. And ladies and gentlemen, I cannot even tell you how many times I've learned of kitties being heroes and saving his family's life like that. Midnight put his own life at risk. Hi, little cutie pie. And somebody is still very rambunctious. Oh, so cute! And we are delighted to share all of our videos with you today. If you like the contents of our videos, don't forget to take those paws and paw that like button. You can paw the subscription button and you can paw the notification bell. He's checking out this new bell. Paw all when you paw that notification bell and you'll be notified so that you can see all of Neffy Cat's videos. Well, thank you all so very much. And we look forward to seeing you with all of these cute little wings. Such cute little wings. In the next video.